Hey guys, it's Noemi and I'm back with another video. Today I'm gonna be doing a mukbang. But before I get into the video, since everybody's never knows how to pronounce it, they don't know if it's mukbang or mukbang, this is how you pronounce it, okay? According to the pronunciation.
Mukbang. Mukbang.
So there you go, mukbang. So I'm gonna be doing my first mukbang / get to know me a little bit, and you guys also asked me some questions, so I'm gonna be answering your questions as well. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So right here I got with me some Wingstop. So what I got is some fries. Got me some fries. Hold on, can't see. Got me some fries. Some wings. I got 5 original hot and 5 lemon pepper. So yeah, and I got some ranch. Can't forget the ranch. And to drink, I got some cherry Dr. Pepper. So let's get to eating. Okay. Could you guys even see this? Hold up. I got a little ass table, right? So this is my first time ever doing this, so I don't really know what I'm supposed to be doing, but I know a lot of people like to watch other people eat like I do. I usually spend, when I got nothing to do, I literally watch people eat all the time. I love watching people eat. It's weird. So I'm gonna be telling you guys a little bit about myself. Starting off with my name. My name is Noemi. I am 21 years old. I just turned 21 in July 23. I have a daughter. What else? My daughter is 2. Somebody asked me in the comments, when am I going to be showing my daughter in my videos? I am going to be showing her very soon in my next probably in my next video after I post this one. I'll be posting a video with her. These wings are bomb. if you do not clean your bone, there's something wrong with you. I'm a clean. I always clean my bones. I love wings. Okay, so somebody else also asked me. They asked me. They asked me how did I meet my baby daddy. So before I get into that, let me take a bite of this wing. Bruh. So, how I met my baby daddy. One of my homegirls invited me to a kickback, and she had said that she was with one of her homies, and that he had 3 other friends with him. So they were like, "Oh, we're gonna come pick you up." But me and my sister ended up going in her car, so we ended up meeting up at the party. So we his homie ends up introducing all of them to me and my sister, which my baby daddy was one of them. And I remember at the party someone yelled out, "Oh, let everybody come over here, whoever wants a shot, come over here." So then he was standing next to me, like by the hallway, because it was like an indoor party. It wasn't like a huge party, it was like a small party, like only people that the girl knew, because it was her birthday. And I remember he asked me, he was like, "Hey, what's up? You're gonna go, let's go take a shot." And I look at him and I'm like, and I just looked away. I literally looked away, and I didn't even say, "Oh yeah, I'm down," or "Nah, I don't want to," which was messed up of me. But whenever I used to hit parties, like, I wasn't looking like to get at anybody. I was literally just there to hang out with my homegirls and have a couple drinks. So when he asked me that, I totally ignored him, and then me and my homegirl went to the garage to play beer pong, because they were having like a beer pong game going on in the garage. And when next thing you know, he goes to the garage and tries to start playing beer pong with us. But anyways, the party happens. My homegirl ends up getting too drunk to the point where she couldn't walk. So she was like, "Hey, I can't be here no more. Like, please take me home." We were so far from home, but we ended up leaving because of her, because she ended up getting super drunk. So when we were walking out to the party, my homegirl's homie and my baby daddy walked out behind me, like behind us, and they were like, "Hey, nah, don't go, stay just a little bit longer." Like, he was asking me to stay and he would take me home, and I was like, no, I'm not trying to kick it. I'm gonna go home with the homegirl. So we ended up going home, and then after that we just all started kicking it, like, all the time. Like, on the weekends we'll go to the beach, And my homegirl's homie, he would always like try to convince me to talk to my baby daddy. And I'd always be like, no dude, I'm not into him, I'm talking to somebody, like I'm not into him. I don't like him, bro, like leave me alone, I'm not gonna get at him. And then I realized that my baby daddy was super nice. Like he was the nicest out of the whole group. Like he would consider me, like when they would go buy drinks or like food, like he would invite me. And like I just realized that I was just being so messed up to him. And I was like, you know what, maybe I should give this guy a chance. But I used to hate him. Like I didn't hate him, but I didn't like him at all. Like I remember I made out with him, and then after that, like he added me on Instagram and he would hit me up all the time, but I would always leave him on scene. So I was like, I wasn't messing with them. But I was like, you know what, let me give him a chance. So I give him a chance. And ever since, we were inseparable. Like we were together every day. He would always come over, bring me food. And he was like super, super nice. He would take me on like some super nice dates to places I've never been. And I ended up falling in love. It's so funny though, because it happens to a lot of girls. I know it does, because I've heard so many stories where you hate the guy at first and then you end up falling for him, which is so funny. I think it's so funny. But yeah, I ended up falling in love. My bad, guys. The kids were banging on the door, so I had to go chill them out. But anyways, yeah. So yep, that's how I met my baby daddy. Ended up getting pregnant. And yeah. What do you guys prefer? Comment down below if you prefer Wingstop or Buffalo Wild Wings. There's this very good wing place out here. It's called Boom Chicken. Or there's two locations, but they're the same owners. One of them is called Boom Chicken and the other one is called Boom Boom Chicken. Well, their wings are freaking bomb, and they're like crunchy. They're bomb. If you haven't tried it, I recommend it. But my favorite is Buffalo Wild Wings. I could eat wings all day. So I went to Wingstop, got my order, and the ranch was freaking spilled all over my fries. I was like, oh hell no. But the lady gave me new fries. Fresh fries, and they were warmer than the fries that because I freaking took long to go pick up my order. And I barely noticed that didn't even give me veggie sticks. Wow. You see, for paying attention to the getting mad over the freaking spilled ranch, didn't even notice they didn't give me my veggie sticks. I don't like the celery though, but I like the carrots with ranch. I posted a story on my Instagram telling you guys to ask me questions. Well, my followers. And nobody asked me anything, bro. Like, I have no friends, no supporters. Like, nobody asked me anything. That's so embarrassing. Not even one question. I vlogged some of my daughter's second birthday party. Let me know if you guys want to see the vlog. That way I can edit it and post it. We decorated so cute, guys. Me and my sister threw our daughters, my daughters and my nieces' birthday party together, because they're both two. They were literally born 5 days apart. My daughter was born May 21st. Her daughter was born May 26th. The same year. So they're the same age. So we decided to throw the party together. And we decorated so cute. Everything was pink. I think white and gold. We did. It took us a lot of work, but we killed it. It was super cute. So let me know if you guys want me to post it. What flavor do you guys get at Wingstop? Because I always only get original hot. I barely started liking lemon pepper. My mom gets it all the time. My sister does too. Then I tried a wing and I was like, damn, it's bomb. So they got me into the lemon pepper flavor, so those are the only two flavors that I usually go for. But if you guys know of a bomber flavor or like another good one, let me know. You guys hear that? It's so hard trying to film a video when you got two babies at home. Two toddlers, same age. They're always fighting for everything. If one has a toy, the other one wants it. The toy could literally be sitting there, and not until one grabs it, the other one wants it, bro. It's so irritating, but you know what? We chose to be moms. We gotta live with it. I love my baby. I'm definitely gonna be bringing her out in more videos. So stay tuned. I'm literally sitting on my mom's bed. I'm sitting on my mom's bed eating. I'm getting full. I'm also the type of person that would not drink anything until I'm done eating. My mom we're just used to it already. Like, my mom would always tell us, like, just wait until you're done eating to drink. So we're used to it. Well, I'm used to it. So yeah, if you don't see me drinking out of my drink, it's because I wait till I'm done, or when I know I'm already gonna stop eating and I'm not gonna eat no more, and then I take a sip. So right now, I'm working on cleaning out a room that we got. An empty room that nobody sleeps and uses. It's a little tiny room. I'm thinking about making it my film room where I make all my videos and stuff. But it's a little room, and there's no, like, the air conditioning vent or whatever it's called. So I'm gonna have to buy a fan. I'm gonna have to buy a fan. And decorate it super cute, of course. So I could start making my videos in there. I really don't know what much to talk about, so bear with me, okay? This is my first time. By the way, if you guys didn't know, since I was talking about my baby daddy earlier, I mentioned him. He passed away 2 years ago. I made a video about how that happened, so if you guys want to go check it out, check out my channel if you guys are interested in story times and stuff like that. full. Well, I'm full. I only got 2 or 3 wings left. That's a lot if you ask me. I mean, I ate a lot for me. That's a lot. But can't be putting no fishies in my drink. If you guys haven't tried cherry Dr. Pepper or cherry Coke, you're missing out. So I think I'm gonna end the video here. If you guys did like this video, make sure you like. If you would like me to post more videos, leave a comment of any video suggestions of what you guys would like me to eat or do next in my video. Please subscribe to my channel, show me some love, and see you in the next video. Bye.